Ntine karunji kuna Yanye kundira weka Yanyuzyao ebibi Benuka marayonta Ibanja ryanjiriuna Akanye homukufa yampinduro mwana we yanyiha omugowi yampinduro rikwera mbenuka marayota ibanja ryanjiriuna
Nyeta Honorable Asa Kazora. I'm the elder brother wa Monique Chembo kandi twashemerwa nkite family abo kutereza ekitinisa cyamani kandi ntumwendeza obushwere burungi kandi Monica obushwere buwazamu. You should love your husband, that is the best. Kandi kindi ntuwasima abantu mona inkuyanja yona ija kutahira obugenyi. We are so happy. And much more surprisingly, ogomwana Monica kuyazirwe, my father akampereza opportunity we na mama kugira ngo mbe ninye namwetizi na rya Monica. So nashemero gogundu murundi kureba ngo ninye ndi omwe umbako organizing embagaye tibendeza bushwere burungi kandi kinta kabura kwebwa kushemba yo kushaba abantu kugira ngo 2026 mwije mu ndonde mbe MP wanyu warinda South nko kumwandaganiza. God bless you.
So hi Monique, this is Sympathy. I wish you the best. May God bless you.
Hello Monique, this is Irina Nisima. I wish you the best in your marriage.
Hi Monique, this is Hilda. I wish you the best in your marriage. Stay happy with your family.
Hey Monique, this is Mercy. I wish you all the best in your marriage. Keep that love alive.
We love you.
Hi Auntie Monique, this is Samantha. We wish you a very happy marriage. Hi, this is Rachel. I love you so much. Thank you for being an amazing auntie and we wish you a very lovely marriage. Hey, this is Agawariri. I wish you a happy marriage, Aunt Monique.
Hey, this is Letitia Choutunji. I wish you the happiest marriage.
Let's scream, everybody.
He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
非常感谢阿萨我的兄弟 brother 请我来参加这次宴会，感谢各位亲朋好友对我们中国企业的厚爱，表示感谢。
哦，感谢，
非常感谢。由于时间的问题，米多玛还有很多机器。
If he can do love